today I'm going to show you how to make the workbook for the 3D nets. So to start with our first shape, the cube, you're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Looking at the shape, you can see that it's 2 by 2 by 2. For younger students, this might be difficult, so you might want to make a template of a 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter square so that they can trace that. When you are putting the strings in, you want to make sure you put the holes here at the base of this first square and then at the top of the very last square. Then you're going to want to start by threading on the underside of this base square, going inside, then looping back through here into the base again. I definitely recommend that you do this before you glue your base down. This will make it much easier. Our next shape is the cuboid. So if you look at this, you can see that the base here is 12 centimeters and you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. On the third rectangle, you are going to have a square that is 4 centimeters, obviously all the way around. And then just like before, you're going to thread this through the base, starting on the underside. However, with this, you want to also thread through the square. And you're going to come out on this other side and thread inside the very top rectangle. And then make sure to thread all the way along the top, coming back around through, and make sure you get this back side and then back through, and that will be your cuboid. So if you see here with these shapes, if you do this correctly, you will be able to pull the string and it will make your 3D shape. After the cuboid, our next shape is the triangular prism. So for the triangular prism, you're going to make 3 rectangles with a 11 centimeters by 6 centimeters. And then in the middle rectangle, you are going to have a triangle. Now, when you go down the center of this triangle, it is going to be 5 centimeters long, and it's going to be, of course, 6 centimeters wide. Just like before, you're threading through the bottom of the base. Kind of similar, you're going through the front here, threading, and you want to thread inside. Make sure this is along the back side, coming back through, and ta-da! Make sure you're pulling both strings at the same time or it might come loose. And that is your triangular prism. And then for our final shape, you are making a triangular pyramid. So this one could be a little tricky. You are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles with a 9 centimeter base. And then you're going to flip. And along the middle is actually going to be 8 centimeters. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there it gets pretty easy. You want to start here at the bottom on the left side, thread underneath. Then actually start here at the bottom. Just like before, we're running along the back, coming through, threading here underneath, and you grab your 2 strings and pull. I got caught. Oops, there we go. So you definitely want to caution the children to be a little careful, or you could wind up with a popped triangle here. Thank you so much.